Are you tired of receiving dynamic emails on Gmail and want to disable them on your PC? In this tutorial, I will guide you through the simple steps to turn off dynamic email on Gmail. First, open gmail.com on your web browser. Once you are on the home page, look for the gear icon located at the top bar. Click on it to access the settings menu. Next, click on See All Settings to open the settings page. From the General section, locate the Images option. Here, you will find the setting for displaying external images in emails. Click on Ask before displaying external images to enable this setting. This will prompt Gmail to ask for your permission before loading images from external sources. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply the new settings. You may be prompted to confirm the changes, so make sure to follow through with the confirmation step. And that's it. You have successfully disabled dynamic email on Gmail on your PC. Now you can enjoy a more secure browsing experience without worrying about dynamic content loading automatically in your emails. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.